Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Thank you guys for watching and thank you for all the support. Today, guys, we'll show you how to remove and replace the cylinder lock if you need to replace the cylinder lock on the door, driver's door on Ford Fiesta Mk7. This one should cover, guys, 2008 all the way until 2017 model. That's quite a bit of a lifespan on the Fiesta, but we're working currently on 2015 right here. It's an ST, but regular Fiesta will be the same way. So the only difference now is that it has a smart key, but you still have the cylinder lock right here, so it doesn't make any difference, to be honest with you. We'll need a trim removal tool, okay, and a screwdriver. Okay, I'm gonna show you why we need a trim removal tool. Okay, and we're going to need the okay, let me get that thing quick, T20 right there. It's a star looking bit, T20. You can see, guys, okay, right here somebody scratched it in the past with a screwdriver. That's why you need a plastic trim removal tool like that, and you can use it for so many things. Okay, so when you get it in, okay, you can pull that cap out. Okay, now under this cap right here, guys, it's hard to show you, but there is a bolt. Okay, let me grab it here quick to see if, okay, right there inside you can see that bolt with a star looking T20 bit. Okay, we're going to get it horizontal, okay, like that, and you're going to feel, okay, when you get it with the bit. It might take you a little bit of time because once you get the screwdriver it's almost impossible to see, but you can definitely feel it. And you start unscrewing. While you're unscrewing with one hand, okay, hold the cylinder right here, the lock cylinder, and just try to pull it because it eventually will get loose. Okay, you can see it started playing, but it's not coming out yet, so it definitely needs more. You see it's gone, okay, right there. And check it out, this is the lock cylinder, guys, okay, right here. Okay, and this is the mechanism right here that is working. This is the screw right here that we're removing, that we're getting loose. Okay, and if you need to replace the lock cylinder, all we have to do is just remove that cap, okay, right here, which is super easy. Okay, and right here you need to pry a little bit with a screwdriver, okay, but very careful not to break the plastic cap. There is two teeth on the side, okay, and that's the lock cylinder, guys, right here you can see. I've heard so many stories about England and people getting those damaged because they try to steal their vehicle and they need to replace them, so we decided to make a video, guys, to show you how to remove it. Okay, you grab the new one and all you have to do, go on the back side first, okay, push in until it clicks in place. It goes only one way, okay, perfect. And now we're going to go ahead and install it on the door. Okay, it goes this way, you can see. Okay, you gotta make sure it goes all the way in, perfect. Okay, and just get the screw tight until it stops turning. It might take a little bit of time because it's pretty long screw, to be honest with you. Okay, we're almost there. Okay, perfect, like that. Next we need to install that safety cap here. And that's the whole procedure, guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.